Oh yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. Yeah. There is a long story behind this game. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Um. We have something over here on the lights. On the lights. Okay. Let's talk about this for some time. Let me get my setup done. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and the main motive to bring this PC to edit and mix and deliver my contents in higher quality. I have the dual monitor setup here running on an workstation which is HP's workstation with Intel Xeon कौन सा है E5 Intel Xeon E5 Intel मतलब E5 हाँ Intel Xeon E5 series though. So it's pretty much working really nice, and it has a graphics card of NVIDIA Quadro K500 K5000 NVIDIA Quadro K5000, which helps me in freaking editing fast. Okay, it helps me in editing fast, but not faster than the modern days computer. This is a little bit old, but why I choose this? It's compatible with wide variety of editing apps, remixing apps, mixing apps, deliverance of media app. Many. Can't name it one by one. Many. So, okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ B-roll ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Still editing on this. Oh, barappa. Baro. Yes, it is a HP workstation, and this is my laptop where I'll plug in my SD card, transfer it to this via Ethernet, and if I want to put some pen drives, I'll put it on my monitor. Focus ra. Editing through my footages. This Xeon is not the the platinum version of Xeon. It's just we can say it like it's a normal version which was released long back ago, and I'm switching to 4K now. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I had recorded the previous clips on my Redmi Note. Okay, it's dead. Redmi Note first. Yo. Sorry. My mom's phone, Redmi A3, and now I'm shooting on the Samsung A50. And this will go to the final edit. I don't know how it looks. I know I have told the small points because I have not like fully tested my system to the peak limits, so I'll be testing it now with the first video. Let me see how much graphics I can put, how much color grading I can do. I'll see. Okay, See you then. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, something. Do watch my channel and subscribe. Okay?
Premiumbeat.com.
All cable management. I'm really poor at cable management. Please, if anyone can help, please do. Just explain me how should I cable manage this stuff here. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. There is a long story behind this and this behind.